In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk send bills in Clio Manage. If you're handling multiple invoices at once, bulk sending can save you a lot of time and clicks while keeping your billing consistent and on schedule. I'll walk you through the exact workflow, share a few helpful checks along the way, and make sure you feel confident before you hit send. First, open billing from your main navigation. This is your central hub for everything invoice related. If you work in a firm environment, make sure you have the appropriate permissions to view and send bills. Once you're in, you'll see tabs or filters that group bills by their current status. Next, open the bills list by navigating to the tab that contains the invoices you want to send. The exact tab you choose will depend on your firm's workflow. Look for the one where the bills are ready to go out to clients. Take a moment to confirm you're in the correct status view so you're only working with the right set of bills. Now, select multiple bills using the checkboxes beside each invoice. You can click individual checkboxes to make a precise selection, or use the top checkbox when available to select all visible bills on the page. As you select, scan the client names, matter descriptions, and amounts to ensure nothing unexpected is in the mix. With your bills selected, open the Bulk Actions menu. This menu appears once you've checked at least one invoice and contains the tools you need to handle those bills all at once. It's a quick way to apply the same action consistently across your selection. Choose Send Bills from the Bulk Actions menu. This prepares the selected invoices for delivery and brings up any confirmation window your account is configured to show. Think of it as a final staging area before your bills are dispatched to clients. Take a moment to review the selected bills. Verify that the list matches what you intended to send and that there aren't any stray invoices included. If your firm uses email delivery or a client portal, confirm that the delivery method and recipients look right. If something needs attention, back out and make the edits before proceeding. When everything looks correct, click Send to deliver the bills to your clients. Depending on your settings, clients will receive them by email or through your portal, and the bill status will update accordingly in the list. After sending, you can monitor confirmations or follow up as needed from your usual billing dashboard. That's it. Quick, consistent, and professional. Thanks for watching.